Hello my dear students, Adarsh Question YouTube channel to Manav Sagar. Dear students, today we are going to study a chemistry chapter. It is my first video for class 10. Though class 10 is very important. That's why it is my first video for the new year 2025 and 26. 25-26 education year. Today it is my first science video for your class 10 first chapter, class 10 chemical reaction and equation, chapter 1 question number 1, what is chemical change? Give you examples. What is chemical change? Chemical change means it is the change by the process by which the substance loses its identity. Completely a new substance is formed. Means all physical and chemical properties of the substance change. Completely a new substance is formed. It's called your chemical change. Chemical change is the change by which a substance loses its identity, a new substance or a new identity, new substance is formed. Example, burning of paper or wood, burning of wood, rusting of iron, Third one is your chemical change. Third one is your milk change to curd. Similarly, give examples given in your book. Some examples just like milk is left at a room temperature during summer. Summer season में milk room temperature में few hours, just like your 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, it will change to curd. The curd will not return to original milk. Similarly, an iron tawa, pan, nail left exposed in humid temperature. Humid temperature means the moisture present in the atmosphere. The amount of moisture present in atmosphere is called humid temperature. Similarly, grapes get fermented. Fermented here means by the help of your yeast, alcohol is formed. That means the total taste and smell of the substance changed. Fermentation. इडली डोसा प्रिपेयर कला बेले भी हमें जो बाटर राइस एंड उराड लो ताकू ग्राइंडिंग करके हमें फर्मेंटेशन पाई सिंपली हमें किसी बेकिंग पाउडर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फर्मेंटेशन के लिए छोड़ देते हैं. सिमिलरली फूड गेट डाइजेस्टेड इन आवर बॉडी. फूड डाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो केमिकल चेंज. वही रेस्पिरेशन इज द प्रोसेस by which food components break down by the help of oxygen, energy and carbon dioxide release. All these are chemical changes. After chemical change, complete new substance is formed and it will not return back to its original substance. Will not get the original substance again. Original substance को हमें फेरी पाइबा नहीं. That means question 1 is your खत्म. Second question. Second question is your activity 1.1. Activity 1.1. Write down the question. What does when a magnesium ribbon burn in oxygen? Magnesium, here activity 1.1 is here according to our book. Take a magnesium ribbon, magnesium magnesium is a metal. Rub it help of sandpaper. Sandpaper re take a magnesium ribbon and rub it with the sandpaper to clean it, because magnesium is a metal. Moisturized air or acidic rain contact रे आसिले magnesium ताले corrosion हो जिवो, corrode हो जिवो. Just like a layer, a coating cover कर दो magnesium. It is also helpful for a magnesium ribbon because it protect the further corrosion को ये सुरक्षा देता है. Anyhow, magnesium oxide ही देता है. ताले प्योर मैग्नीशियम पाने के लिए इसको रॉक करना चाहिए सैंड पेपर में. देन होल्ड द मैग्नीशियम रिबन बाय हेल्प ऑफ टंग एंड बर्न इट बाय यूज ए गैस बर्नर और स्पिरिट लैम्प और गैस बर्नर में इसको हीट करना चाहिए. आफ्टर फ्यू मिनट्स, कुछ मिनट के बाद द मैग्नीशियम रिबन विल बर्न with a white dazzling light. We have observed that magnesium ribbon burn with dazzling white flame. Dazzling means the it will burn with the glow करी brightness. बहुत सारे लाइट. तो मैग्नीशियम बर्न with the oxygen with a white dazzling light. Oxygen dazzling white light. Dazzling white light and a white powder or ash is formed. This ash is your magnesium oxide. We observe that magnesium burn with dazzling white flame and white ash is formed. This ash is your magnesium oxide. Is formed. That means when magnesium reacts with oxygen, magnesium Mg, it is a metal, oxygen a non-metal. Oxygen is diatomic element. That's why its formula is O2. But magnesium monoatomic. We write simply Mg. Magnesium oxide MgO. Why for magnesium oxide the formula is MgO? 9 class 3. How can you write formula? पढ़ाई. Magnesium is divalent, oxygen is divalent. 2 and 2 cancel, your MgO is your magnesium oxide. That means when magnesium burn with oxygen by help of a spirit lamp or gas burner, MgO magnesium oxide is formed. But this reaction is unbalanced. Not balanced. This unbalanced reaction is called skeletal equation. Unbalanced. Now we should balance it. Balance can be done. How can we balance it? Here magnesium atom LHS and RHS. LHS is your reactant site, RHS is your product site. How can we write chemical equation? They are LHS reactant, RHS product or product type. Product ताले magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium LHS, magnesium one atom. Similarly, RHS also 1. That means the magnesium is balanced here. But oxygen, left side में there are 2 oxygen atoms, but the right side में only 1. We should balance the oxygen by multiplying magnesium oxide with 2. Just change this equation, Mg plus O2, 2MgO. 2MgO. Here magnesium and oxygen combined together, magnesium oxide form. Magnesium and oxygen are not separate here. Magnesium oxide is a compound. Compound 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से ऑक्सीजन भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, मैग्नीशियम भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो मैग्नीशियम 2 हो गया, 2 एटम्स. नाउ यू मस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 2 विथ मैग्नीशियम, 2Mg plus O2, it is your 2Mg magnesium oxide. तो फिनिश एक्टिविटी 1.1. Now activity 1.2. 1.2. This is your balanced chemical equation. Balanced. According to your syllabus, 10th class, you should write all chemical equations in their balanced form. Balanced form में लिखना जरूरी है. Activity 1.2. Activity 1.2 में क्वेश्चन क्या है? What will happen? Question. When lead nitrate react with potassium iodide, lead nitrate react with potassium iodide, potassium iodide. तो आंसर क्या होगा? लेड नाइट्रेट पोटाशियम आयोडाइड रिएक्शन करना है. लेड नाइट्रेट का फॉर्मूला PbNO3 बिकॉज पोटाशियम Pb लेड नाइट्रेट लेड इज योर डाइवैलेंस 2 वैलेंस. তাহলে Pb ର ଭ୍ୟାଲେନ୍ସ NO3 ପାଖେ ଲେଖାଲା PbNO3 plus potassium iodide Ki. It is a double displacement reaction here. Lead and potassium are 2 metals. When they react, lead ion and potassium ion, double ion aswala. And another definition for the chemical reaction that new compound or new substance যেতବେଳେ form হয়, new bond formation of, and by the breakage of old bonds, পুরোনা বন্ধ ভাঙিব, নূয়া বন্ধ তৈরি হবে. Chemical change is the change in which the original bond will break and new bond will form. That means PbNO3 when react with the potassium iodide. Lead iodide plus lead is your divalence. That means PbI2. It is your I. It is your lead iodide and potassium nitrate KNO3. What happened? Question is, what happened when lead nitrate react with potassium iodide? It is your lead nitrate. It is your potassium iodide. Formation है ना, lead iodide, potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate is your answer. That means when a lead nitrate react with the potassium iodide, lead iodide and potassium nitrate is formed. But it is skeletal equation, not a balance, because here Pb single atom, one atom, NHS, react cycle, product side will be Pb1, Pb balanced already. Now NO3. NO3 there are two NO3. NO3 ର ଦୁଇଟା ଗ୍ରୁପ ଅଛି LHS reactant side. Product ରେ only single KNO3 only. NO3 1. Similarly Ki, potassium is single atom, iodine also single, but RHS product side रे iodine ର two atoms of iodine is present product. That means it is unbalanced. NO3 unbalanced and iodine also. How can we balance it? First try to balance the NO3 group. NO3 here multiply 2 with KNO3. That means the reaction will Pb NO3 whole 2 plus Ki give rise to PbI2 plus 2KNO3. 2KNO3. But KNO3 is a compound. NO3 is not separate from potassium. तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से K भी डबल हो जाएगा, NO3 भी डबल हो जाएगा. तो K reaction side LHS में only single atom, but RHS में there are 2 atoms हो गया पोटेशियम. तो बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो क्या बन गया? PbNO3 whole 2 plus 2Ki. Ki पोटेशियम आयोडाइड एक कंपाउंड. 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से पोटेशियम का और आयोडीन का दोनों का आटम 2 हो गया. तो RHS में पहले तो आयोडीन 2 आटम्स था और 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से पोटेशियम भी 2 हो गया. तो बैलेंस हो गया. आयोडीन का 2 आटम्स फिर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से आयोडीन भी 2 हो गया. पोटेशियम 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से 2, हियर LHS में भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई करने से 2 हो गया. तो इट इज बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन, बैलेंस. नाउ एक्टिविटी 1.3 आ गया. Activity 1.3. Zinc granules that with dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. What is the zinc granules? Zinc dust or zinc Zn plus dilute HCl hydrochloric acid. What will happen? Question, what will happen? If zinc granules, small pieces of zinc, small here, zinc granules. Take a zinc granules, get in here. Zinc granules. If zinc granules react with dilute HCl or sulfuric acid H2SO. A dilute means water soluble. All acids are soluble with water. Answer is your Zn react with HCl. Zinc chloride ZnCl2 plus H2. So answer, when zinc granules or zinc simply react with dilute hydrochloric acid, zinc chloride, sorry, ZnCl2 is your zinc chloride, ZnCl2 plus H2 hydrogen gas liberated. But it is on balanced chemical equation. How can we balance it? Balance Zn plus 2HCl give rise ZnCl2 plus H. It is the balanced chemical equation. 2HCl means 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of chlorine. प्रोडक्ट साइड में शेल तो पहले 2 था, H भी 2 था, तो ये बैलेंस हो गया. एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो खत्म. नाउ another question for you. Question number 4. How can you confirm a chemical reaction taken place or happened? chemical reaction, how can you confirm? A chemical reaction takes place or happen. केमिकल रिएक्शन, केमिकल चेंज हुआ है, कैसे कन्फर्म होगा? बुक में आंसर है, ए केमिकल रिएक्शन हैपन ओनली व्हेन चेंज इन स्टेट, चेंज इन कलर, change of state, evolution of gas, change of temperature also, change in temperature. So first change in state. State means solid, liquid, gas. There are 3 states of matter. तो state change होना जरूरी नहीं. इसमें कोई भी change in state, there are 4 things given here. But out of these, if only one of these happen, then it is sign of chemical change. Chemical change means change in state, change in color, evolution of gas formation, and change in temperature. There are another symptoms also. Effervescence takes place. Effervescence means जब बबुल निकलता है, इफर्मेशन का पार्ट. तो एक्टिविटी 1.3 तक ये कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ केमिकल इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्वेशन? व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्वेशन? How can you write it? Chemical equation is the shorthand representation of any chemical change. Or another definition, the symbolical representation by or chemical equation we write any chemical change by help of otherwise with the help of symbols and formula. सिंबल एंड फार्मूला यूज करके केमिकल रिएक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने से केमिकल इक्वेशन बन जाता. केमिकल इक्वेशन इज द expression of any chemical change by using symbols and formula or shorthand representation of any chemical reaction is called chemical change. Next, how can we write it? Point 1. Chemical equation लिखने के लिए और any chemical equation have chemical equations have two sides. One is your LHS left hand side or reactant side. Second one RHS product side. हर केमिकल इक्वेशन में LHS होता है रिएक्टेंट साइड and productant side. Point 2. Point 1 is khatam. How can you write chemical equation? You can write chemical equation by LHS reactant side and RHS product side. Just like your example, magnesium Mg plus O2 formation hela MgO magnesium oxide. बैलेंस करने से क्या होगा? 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. Mokoich, you should write each and every chemical equation by balanced. You should balance each and every chemical equation. It is balanced. This side before the arrow mark LHS, or reactant. This side is your RHS, product. Reactant and product. React and product. Point 2. If be more than one reactant and product, equation is of more than one, just like the magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium and oxygen. There are two reactants. More than one reactant. Reactant there are two, magnesium and oxygen. Then we should put plus sign. Similarly, product में जो ज़्यादा product आएगा, more than one product, then we should put the plus sign. Just ZnCl2 रे वही चला. Example दे रहा हूँ, बुझिए. Zn plus HCl. 2 HCl you can write also. Formation ZnCl2 plus H2. There are two reactants, zinc granules and hydrochloric acid. Two product also, zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. So point 2 क्या आएगा? If more than one, if more than one product or a reactant or product, we should put plus sign with them. तुमको प्लस साइन लेकर लिखना है. Point 3. Each reactant and a product, we should write there in their molecular form. Molecular form में तुमको ये एक्सप्रेस करना है. All reactant and product side, we should write all reactant, all reactant and product. We should write in their molecular form. मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म में लिखना है. एटॉमिक फॉर्म केमिकल इक्वेशन में लिखना ठीक नहीं, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्म में लिखना चाहिए. तो पॉइंट 3 खत्म. पॉइंट 4. पॉइंट 4 क्या है? देयर इज एन एरो मार्क बिटवीन द रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट. रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट में देयर इज एन एरो मार्क. There is an arrow mark between reactant and the product. Reactant and product. Reactant and product में एक arrow mark होता है. Just like your magnesium plus oxygen, this is arrow mark. The arrow mark indicates the reactant give rise the product. Mg plus O2, Mg. Balance करने से 2Mg. There is an arrow mark between reactant and product. It indicates the product. React give rise the product. Similarly, last point, point 5. यानी right यानी catalyst. Catalyst यानी catalyst, just like chemical substance, temperature, pressure and heat. Right यानी catalyst and temperature, pressure and heat just above the aroma, above the aroma. So what is chemical equation? How can we write it? A long time question. Already khatam. Now another question for you. What is chemical equation? How can you balance it? What is chemical equation? What is chemical equation? How can you balance it? How can you balance it? Balance it. Explain by example. Explain with example. हमारा पार्ट 2 वीडियो में ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर आएगा. व्हाट इज केमिकल इक्वेशन तो मैंने बता दिया ऑलरेडी, खत्म हो गया. हाउ कैन यू बैलेंस ए केमिकल इक्वेशन? केमिकल इक्वेशन को कैसे बैलेंस करना है? देन we should discuss one after another the types of chemical reaction. एक केमिकल इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है चैप्टर का. तो पार्ट 2 वीडियो में वो जरूर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. ये चैप्टर 1 का पार्ट 1 वीडियो, पार्ट 1. तो पार्ट 1 का ये क्लास आज खत्म हुआ. तो पहले ये जो इंट्रोडक्शन चैप्टर 1 का था केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन, तो बहुत जल्दी कंप्लीट कर लो. क्लास 10 का मामला ये है. लेट एकदम ठीक नहीं, तो विद इन फ्यू डेज बहुत जल्दी नहीं पार्ट 2 वीडियो तुम्हारे लिए जस्ट एक्सप्लेन करके ये क्वेश्चन को अदर जो ये चैप्टर में है तो पार्ट 2 वीडियो में बहुत जल्दी आ जाएगा. तो इट इज द एंड ऑफ दिस क्लास.